Good medical morning. This is Watson, and today we're going to talk about a really fascinating topic: hemp oil. There are tons of uses for hemp, and even different types of oil you can get from it, including lantern oil, medicinal oil that can help with seizures and such, and the one we're going to talk about today, which is a hot new dietary supplement. The sample we got to try is this ultra premium hemp extract from NatulabUSA. It's a peppermint flavored oil and comes in a 250 milligram bottle, and since a serving is only about 20 drops, the bottle should last you about a month with everyday use. This oil is rich in omega-3, 6, and 9 fatty acids, and it's in a proper ratio, which gives all sorts of benefits. Essential fatty acids like this increase blood circulation, nourish and replenish the skin, keeping it young and beautiful, and it also has great anti-inflammatory properties, as well as immune system health and more. It's also important to note that this oil is non-psychoactive. It contains absolutely no THC, so don't worry, you get all the health benefits of hemp oil without any side effects. Furthermore, it is legal to purchase in all 50 states. It's also worth noting that you should be picky when buying hemp-related products. Hemp is sometimes grown with thick pesticides. NatulabUSA's site states that all their products are safely grown free of chemical fertilizers, herbicides, and pesticides. They carefully test their hemp oil multiple times to ensure accuracy and potency, and to check for contaminants. Awesome. I'm a big fan of hemp protein powder and hemp seeds, so I was kind of excited to try this oil. I would say that it's going to be a good substitute for fish oil. It has the perfect ratio of fatty acids, which is good. There's no risk for mercury, which is sometimes contained in fish, and hemp is sustainable and organic. And it doesn't taste like fish. It actually has a mild peppermint taste. This oil actually has a mild calming effect. It's not going to knock you out or anything, but it might pair nicely with an herbal sleep supplement at night, or maybe some tea before bed. But you could take it at any time of the day and be fine. So there you go. NatulabUSA presents a top-end hemp oil at a reasonable price. It's currently on Amazon Prime for less than $35 for a month's supply. So check out the link below if you want to try some for yourself. Thanks for watching.